It's your boy Jay Balak in the house. Hey! Okay, for today's video, ang gagawin natin ngayon is may photoshoot si Anika. Kaya pupunta tayo doon. So ngayon sila nakaalis na, tapos ngayon waiting lang tayo sa Grab.
So hi everybody. So ngayon nagbago ang ating camera is more better. The quality is more better. The mic is not micing. We're here na kung saan tayo magpipicture nila Anika. And then right now, nasa tayo? Soul Life Studio from Hangguge. Film the real you. Nakakita nyo kung sino talaga ako dito. Hi guys! So yun, right now, sakit niya talaga bro. Right now we're done here, so we're just gonna check the pictures there, and after that, they said they'll go to SM, and me, I have a schedule, so I have to go there, and they'll take over the vlog, so don't worry.